So what do you guys do on a Friday night? Because I washed my brushes with something the other day, and for whatever reason, my brushes didn't want to work with any eyeshadows that I used today, so I literally washed all the brushes that I regularly use. And I used my BH Studio brush cleaner. I love this thing. Saves my back, saves my hand. It's a lifesaver. So both of my brush holders are currently empty, and then these are what are left. These are what I don't usually use like on a regular basis. These are just all my extra brushes, but that's all of those, and those are all of my brushes. They're all clean. So what do you guys do on a Friday night? Because I washed my brushes with something the other day, and for whatever reason, my brushes didn't want to work with any eyeshadows that I used today, so I literally washed all the brushes that I regularly use. And I used my BH Studio brush cleaner. I love this thing. Saves my back, saves my hand. It's a lifesaver. So both of my brush holders are currently empty, and then these are what are left. These are what I don't usually use like on a regular basis. These are just all my extra brushes, but that's all of those, and those are all of my brushes. They're all clean. So what do you guys do on a Friday night? Because I washed my brushes with something the other day, and for whatever reason, my brushes didn't want to work with any eyeshadows that I used today, so I literally washed all the brushes that I regularly use. And I used my BH Studio brush cleaner. I love this thing. Saves my back, saves my hand. It's a lifesaver. What are left? These are what I don't usually use like on a regular basis. These are just all my extra brushes, but that's all of those, and those are all of my brushes. They're all clean. So both of my brush holders are currently empty, and then these are... Alright, you see this? This is your fault. All of this is your fault. All of it. For that video. It's all your fault. I'm sitting here freaking bawling watching that damn video. Oh my god, I can't believe he waited. And the guy came back out and asked for his phone number. God, it's all your fault. Okay, so here are all of the single shadows that I have that are like, actual single shadows. And then I'm going to be depotting a lot of these, but like things like this that are in this kind of packaging will end up in here. But these are all of the like individual type shadows that I have that are not, and some of these are like loose shadows like these. Like I just got this from Ipsy. This is a Super Shock from ColourPop in the shade Frog. This is an Urban Decay shadow called Foxy. It's just a matte cream shade. This is also a loose shadow. I got it from an Ipsy. And then of course the palette that we talked about. Just to give you an idea. What I'm thinking is that we still use the palette, but throw in something like one of these, or pick a couple of things if we have like the same thing to use them. That way we're using same, and then we can do like different techniques with them. So let me know what you think. Yeah, I curled up on him on the other side, Dad. Got the dog in here and everything. No, I didn't. Nope, it'll fall in the hole if I do that. Here, let's see if I can weird him out climbing on the other side. Watch out, Ann. Watch out, Ann. He's buzzing, Daddy. Come here, Ann. Come here. She would fucking sniff the camera. That's your dog. Hi, baby. What do you think about all this? Dad's in my spot. Got the dog on the bed. I'm in your spot. He just rubbed his face on my hand. Don't you bite me. Okay, that works. Just rub, sniff, 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 rub, not sniff, 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 nibble. He's so freaking rotten. Did you find a bad spot?
Just skin.
Get your whiskers. Get a whole handful of your whiskers. My brows.
Got a whole handful of belly.
Uh-oh. You might just let you have it. He's a pretty good cat.
Just wonder what he's thinking. What the heck are these humans doing?
He's like, I'm getting pet, I don't care. This cat's give a shit is completely broken.
Had to get on to Toby this morning. He was walking into this one was walking into the laundry room, and Toby was sitting by the door. Babbity bap bap bap.
And what'd he do?
Ran off.
I'd have babbity bap 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 using his paws on Toby.
I couldn't catch him.
Oh, he probably came back in here. Him and Connor both got down when you opened your bedroom door this morning.
Yep.
They came out.
Yep. This one looking expectantly to go outside. Nope.
He didn't ask to go outside at all yesterday. He didn't ask to go outside today until I offered. He went out for a little bit and then it decided it wanted to do that afternoon storm bullshit. Bite him. Bite him, Bubby.
Rub.
What kind of a cat are you?
I'm broken.
Can I get a refund?
Yep. Get all your money back.
Wait a minute, I don't remember paying for him.
Yeah, he was free. Somebody threw him out.
He's like the TV you pick up at the side of the road. You hope it works, but sometimes it does and sometimes it don't. He's playing with his feet.
Leg. Feet got sharp things in them.
Yeah, well this up here has sharp things in it too.
This thing?
No, this thing right here.
This thing.
This, yeah.
Doesn't look too sharp at the moment.
Bite him.
Don't think that's gonna happen. Rub.
Oh I guess that that hand wasn't petting him enough that he decided that it needed
Some encouragement.
yes. What a slobby cat.
Ooh. Smooth.
Oh, are you getting him?
I grab it and pull his whiskers.
Bite him. Bite him. Get him, Bubby. Bite him.
Push it on me.
You are so fucking brutal, kid. Come over here, Mommy will save you.
Wow.
He's like, Mom, it's time for bed. You ready to go to bed, son? Ow. Look at him draped over my pillow. Bobby, is Daddy messing with you? Is Daddy messing with you?
I got a whole handful of belly.
I'm surprised he ain't rabbit kicking you yet.
He ain't. He's putting up with it.
Get him, Bobby. Don't put up with that mess. Go get Daddy. Get Daddy. Bite him, claw him. Do something. You're just gonna lay there? You're gonna put up with that.
You. Look at this. There's his feet going.
Is it defective?
He's mixing bread on my hand.
Yeah, that usually hurts me, so I can't let him do that. He tears the shit out of my hands doing that. He doesn't do it to be mean. It's just he's a big cat. He's got big paws and long, sharp claws. Get that fat cheek. Get that fat cheek. Oh, Bubby says, Daddy messing. Oh, you got a foot involved. Get him, get him, get him.
Nibble lick.
Bubbies.
Cats give a shit. It's broken.
Get your belly. Get your belly. The ears back. That's about it. Oh, you got. Oh, are you holding?
I got through all 3 legs.
Well, here, get this one too.
I can't get. I don't think I can get all 4. His feet are big.
Alright, got it. Alright, now you can get his belly.
I don't want to get his belly. Getting nerves. Ran off. I've got a coochie.
It don't take much to bring it back. Rotten boy. Go get that.
Yeah, right.
That's your side of the bed anyways. You were laying on my side of the bed. Daddy done messed up the blankets.
That's what I did. I mean, not leave, but